again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video, guys. So today I've had this little nail tips and glue gel sent over from Kredioo. So this is off Amazon. I'll leave a link for this below. So we'll have a quick nosy at what comes with it first. So this is what it looks like when you open the box. So it comes with 500 tips. We'll take a closer look at those in a minute. I've got a 10% discount code for Kredioo, guys. 10 or 15, I think it's 10. I'll leave that below as well. So it comes with some little instructions. You get 2 of these little clips. I can never get on with these. These are to kind of hold the tip on whilst you cure it. I can never get on with them, but you get 2 of them anyway. So this is the nail glue. There's the ingredients. If anybody wants to screenshot it, you can. So this is 7.5ml bottle, and it's just a thick. It's not as thick as Builder in a bottle, but it's a thick glue, isn't it? Exactly what it needs to be. And this kit comes with a dehydrator, which is fab. You don't normally get these, and you need it. And this nail file, this is an upgraded nail file as well. It's actually a really good one now. So you get your little USB powered lamp. This is a good lamp as well. This is one of the good ones. I do prefer these ones. So you've got your little touch button there, right under your finger. It's so easy to turn on and off. So let's have a look at these tips. So this kit comes with these little short almond / pointed stiletto. They are matte and they are pre-buffed on the inside. Fantastic. Saves so much time. They have got the option, this kit, you can get them with coffin tips as well. I'll leave a picture up on the screen. So the 0 is not the biggest. They never are in these kits, but I can just about get away with using them. So I'm going to start by giving my nails a quick clean with some alcohol prep. I have got a peel off base coat on because I need to be taking these straight off. So for application, you need to, I'm just going to use the file that came in the kit. Use the soft side and just buff off the shiny surface on your natural nails. Don't scratch away at your natural nail. You're just going to scratch them up gently and just get them all chalky looking and scratched up. Yeah, you definitely need to do that beforehand. And then we're going to go in with the dehydrator and we're just going to dehydrate all your nails. This will get rid of all the oils and dirt on your natural nails. I've got my lamp ready to go. So I like to start by putting just a thin coat of it over my natural nail. Then I put a little bit in the tip. I put far too much in as usual. So I'm just going to press it down at the cuticle area and push that glue right up the nail. I had it right the first time. I should have left it. Try and push down hard so that you don't get any air bubbles. And then I just freeze it for about 10 seconds in the mini lamp. And then I'll put it in my big lamp. If you haven't got a big lamp, then just give it a full cure in this little mini lamp, 60 seconds. So I'll just show you doing one more. So again, I'm just doing a nice thin coat of the glue gel over my natural nail. And then I'm putting a little bit in the tip. I say a little bit, I put far too much. I don't do this method often enough to get used to how much glue. I think if I did it more often, I'd get used to it. But so that's just been flash cured in place. How quick and easy is it, guys? And I like the shape of these little tips. Not normally my go-to shape, but they're really cute and short, aren't they? My thumb was a bit of a dog's dinner, but you know, they look quite good. So we're going to give them a little decoration. I'm just going to file. I like to file up the sides and round the cuticle. One, just to fade the edge of the tip in a little bit with my natural nail. And 2, for any little bits of glue that's leaked out, I like to file them away. So yeah, just a quick file around the edges, around that cuticle area. And then I'm going to use a buffer and I'm going to buff out some of these harsher scratches that I'm doing now with the file. And just to buff them off. They are matte, so I don't think they needed buffing, but I'm going to buff them off anyway. So that's them all filed, buffed, tidied up and ready to put some on them. So this is C011 gel polish from Kredioo. This is out there purple. They do a set of 6 purple. I'll leave the link below to that set. And I am using my left hand, so I've sped it up. I'll just show you a couple. I'm going to paint all my nails in this colour. I did just do 1 coat. I was scared of the nails getting bulky and losing that shape. So I did just do 1 coat, but you should do 2 thin coats really, guys. So they're all going to get painted this colour and cured for 30 seconds. So that's them all painted. I've just wiped off that tacky layer. Aren't they cute? I like them just plain like that. Right, I've pulled out a couple of Kredioo liner gels. This one, number 17, is out of their glow in the dark set. They do a set of 12. It's got 6 neon and 6 glow in the dark. And this one, number 8, is out of their first kit that they did with regular colours, black, white, gold, silver. But yeah, this dark blue is out of the glow in the dark kit. And I'm just doing a little French tip with this dark blue. I'm doing it on the thumb and I'm going to do it on the pointer and the ring finger as well. I think I'll just show you one more. These liner gels are so easy to use, especially if you're just doing little smile lines like this. You don't have to get brushes out and clean them. You don't have to put gel polish on your palette and have to clean that. Just stick the brush back in the bottle. So that's gone in the lamp for 30 seconds and I'm just going to show you doing one more. So that's my French tips done. I've done the ring finger off camera. I don't generally wear blue, so these are odd for me. So I've pulled out some decals. I'm going to use this little guy I've just pointed at. I love these decals. She's got them in small, like for short nails, like what I'm wearing, then big for big nails. So these are from the naildecalqueen.com. Best decals you can get, guys, and she ships internationally as well. Her decals are printed using white ink, so they can go on any colour. You can even put them on a black nail and you won't use any of that. You won't lose any colour whatsoever. So I've got my water ready. Make sure you cut your decals as close to the image as you can get, just so you don't have a load of it hanging off. Stick that in the water, and whilst that's in the water, I'm just going to use Kredioo's base coat and give this a quick base coat and cure it in the lamp. You need a tacky layer to put the decal into, guys. You really need a tacky layer to get it to lay flat. So I'm just going to get any excess water off and place it face down on my stamper. Can you see the back of it is white? I love these decals, and I'm just going to stamp it where I want it. This is why I like to do it on a tacky layer as well, because I did that far too high up, and it just enables you to slide it into position as well. And these decals stretch and they won't rip, so you can stretch them and get any wrinkles out. Really nice quality decals, guys, they really are. So I'm just going to seal that in for the time being with a glossy top coat, just to make sure it's safe. So I've pulled out a Kredioo brush. It's a tiny detail brush on one end and a dotting tool on the other end, exactly what I needed. Perfect. So I'm just going to use the dotting tool end, do 2 little dots and join them together like that. 2 little dots and join them together. And then as I've got a detailer brush on the other end, I'm just going to flip the brush and just tidy them up a bit. I wanted my hearts more to a point. And yeah, as I've got the brush right there on the end of the dotting tool, why not? These nail art brushes come in a pack of 8 as well, guys, and they're nice brushes. I really enjoy Kredioo products. I really do. They don't get used nearly as often as they should, because yeah, they're really nice products. So now I'm just doing a little paw, yep, we're doing a paw pointed star. And I'm going to do the same on all the other nails. And then I'm just going to add some little dotty dots just to fill in a few gaps and just add a little bit of something else to the nails. These are looking rather cute. So lastly, for the pinky, I'm using this. These don't sell anymore, HCS, she's closed down, but it's just a metallic blue, ultra fine glitter. So I'm using the top coat. I should really have painted this nail blue, but it didn't matter. And I've just sprinkled that glitter into the top coat, and that's going to have a double cure just to make sure it's cured through all that glitter. Beautiful colour, isn't it, that glitter? So now guys, I ended up doing them matte. I'm still undecided whether I preferred them glossy or matte, I'm not sure, but I ended up doing them matte, and I'm going to add a few little rhinestones to a couple of the nails, and that'll be them finished. There we go guys, that is them finished. I've added a few blue and transparent rhinestones. I think they turned out really cute. I like the length and shape. They're a kind of everyday wear kind of length, aren't they? They're nothing super long. I think they turned out really cute. Anyway guys, that is it for today. I will leave links for the Kredioo gel tips kit, and I'll leave links for the liner gels, decals. Everything I've used today will be in my description box with any discount codes that I've got. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care, bye.